My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles contested estates in Texas. In this video, I'll talk about mediation. Mediation is a way that many estate disputes in Texas are resolved because Texas public policy favors mediation and courts favor mediation. I'd say probably 80% or more of contested estates are resolved through mediation, or sometimes informal negotiations between the lawyers, but often mediation. And mediation these days can be in person or it can be via Zoom. First, I want to tell you what mediation is not. Mediation is not arbitration, and I have plenty of clients who call me and don't understand the difference. Arbitration is essentially a private judge. An arbitrator issues you a decision, tells the parties how it's going to be, and typically that's non-appealable. Mediation is much different. With mediation, the mediator, who is typically a lawyer, sometimes a retired judge, will get people together either by Zoom or in conference rooms and try to encourage both sides to resolve the dispute. Try to push both sides. Tell them the good things about their case, tell them the bad things about their case in an effort to get both sides to compromise. But a mediator doesn't make decisions. Mediator is not a judge, not an arbitrator. It's much different. But I have found that when both parties are motivated to settle the case and to avoid the expense and uncertainty of trials, that mediation can be very effective, particularly when you have lawyers on both sides who are experienced in handling estate disputes. Uh, if you're faced with an estate dispute, feel free to give me a call and we can discuss the case, whether I'm a good fit for you, and down the road, whether the case is a good fit for mediation.